A bunch of boxes.
Okay,
Right? Yeah,
I got it.
Video, well, what is it on?
It's going. Me traes a que tú quieras. It's funny, you went tumbling down. You gotta be careful. Put your, like, you see those little crevices that pull out? Those little slits?
Yeah.
Put your foot right there. Quiero suerte.
Go faster! My butt is wet. Feels wet.
Yeah, don't slide on your butt the whole way. Because then it's gonna, you're gonna get dirty.
It's wet.
Your pants are gonna probably.
Mine's already dirty. I've been doing that the whole time. There's a lot of pokey stuff here. Can I wash my pants when I get home? Yeah.
Sure. Yes.
Move your hand.
Quiera, cuidado.
I don't know how to get down from here. How to get down from here.
Es lo que hemos ganado por andar mensos acá. Oh my god, we went to the book.
Don't jump.
Because I'm taking your camera with me. Oh my god!
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Fun adventures, man.
Oh god. Ah. I hate these shoes.
Looking back at the camera.
Say hi. Say hi.
You gonna give me the camera or you could do it?
I could do it.
Okay.
Oh, you suck, Kiera.
Oh, you got it. Thank you.
Oh my god, oh no wonder I stepped on the ice right there.
Yeah, I wanna go home. I usually
Get your McChicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna make chicken. We should eat inside. Be warm, make a mess in there.
How funny would it be if I forgot my keys up there?
Oh my goodness, that would not be funny. How long is it taking us just to get down this? Like 20 minutes?
Around 12.
My butt's so dirty right now. And cold! Baby's trying not to break her nails.
I'm like a goat.
I'd rather break a nail than... Are those real nails? No.
And there she's still there.